we're gonna make them understand that we're gonna move to the thing.
The problems will always, no matter the fiber. But
You see, in the earlier morning when I was at the talk with another general manager of dyeing, he was saying that dyeing has a benefit,
yes,
and you have to face it.
yes.
And it's like the riddle of like that.
The problem is that there is a whole theory behind dyeing,
Yeah.
but every dyer has its own perception.
That's perception. And then they're not gonna change it.
Yes.
That's the main problem.
And most of the dyers do not follow the theory. They try to do their thing.
Video.
So that in the end there are problems. But anyways, now the level because you are a professor, it's very good. The level of all the young guys, new generation in Bangladesh is high. And this is very important for the future.
You know, you have come all the way from Greece.
Yes.
You are born from Greece. What is your main name?
Greek.
Greek name. Now, one day I might visit Greece. And I might visit Europe.
Or AGM, Mahmood sir, has visited already Greece.
Oh, Mr. Mahmoud, yes.
I'm going to talk with the CEO. Why not you stand up? Because you see, these are the people I meet.
Yes.
And why not I go to the plant and visit and know about them. Getting stickers.
Yes.
I get stickers. But that's what profession. That means I got money for fitting.
Yes.
So you give me the material, I'm gonna think. That aqua press, that's the difference between this machine and this machine.
Yes.
And you have pointed out very clearly that why they do not consider the comfort temperature, why the system is very much. So in future they're gonna invest in synthesis. Then you have to more chemicals. Then you have to engage in more chemistry for nylon, for polyamide.
Chemistry is very important.
Chemistry,
It's very important. Good. Okay. Textile is based on chemistry. Dyeing is based on chemistry.
So why not?
Everything
Because the
around
human relation is based on chemistry.
chemistry. It's very true.
So may I ask you also don't mind when you start working
Working
for the year?
for nearly 10 years now.
Wow. Every year you come to another.
Every year.
So this time
Not only in Bangladesh, but every year I'm coming to Bangladesh.
and in this special good factory that you are doing.
Our concept, export,
Not the world. Nothing.
concept, export, and last year we go to Color City, Libya.
Now, Mr. Zubair, you know the Mr. Zubair?
Yes.
He is not
He's not there anymore.
He is in Fakir factory.
Okay, Pasha, yes.
You have visited Fakir?
Yes, I did this again.
Already you
in the
visited
past,
Fakir?
but
Not now.
not in this.
Then maybe you meet with Mr. Fakir Jamal
Yes.
or Mr. Sanjay.
Yes.
Yes, you see, I am a teacher. I can actually
know everybody.
everything.
Yes.
I think you are not. I hope you are not mind. That
No.